Hi friends, Miss Nancy here. Today I'm talking about kinesthetic intelligence, the amazing ability to learn by moving, touching, building, and doing. If your child is always tinkering, dancing, climbing, or helping you fix things, that's a clue. Their body is their favorite learning tool, and that is a real powerful kind of smarts. Let's explore careers that celebrate hands-on learners. Athlete. For kids who live to move, sports turn motion into mastery. Athletes learn discipline. Athletes learn body awareness. Sports trainer. Use movement knowledge to coach. Trainers prevent injuries. Trainers boost performance. Physical therapists, movement detectives, help people regain strength, help people regain mobility, use exercises, use stretches, use hands-on techniques. Surgeon, steady hands, focus, precise coordination. Medical technician, from surgery to ultrasound to lab work. Mechanic, for kids who take things apart to see how they work, diagnose problems, handle tools, bring engines and systems back to life. Automotive technician, carpenter, building with wood, building with steel, building with concrete. Measure and cut materials, lift and solve physical puzzles every day. Construction worker. Dancer. Movement becomes language. Dancers tell stories with their bodies. Choreographer. Design movement patterns. Creativity, discipline, rhythm, teamwork. Actor. Gesture and presence. Stunt performer. Trained to do complex actions safely and precisely. Chef. Hands, senses, and timing in the kitchen. Mix, knead, slice, plate. Baker. Firefighter. Fast thinking meets fast action. Lift, carry, climb, care for people under pressure, physical courage, strong training, calm hands-on help. EMT, electrician, keep buildings working. Plumber, keep homes working. Read plans, troubleshoot systems, install systems. Fix real-world problems you can feel, hear, and see. Offer real tasks at home, measuring ingredients, assembling furniture, carrying groceries, planting a garden. Choose schools and programs with labs, shop class, theater, dance programs, robotics, culinary arts. Encourage sports, martial arts, movement classes. Visit maker spaces and museums with touchable exhibits. Praise effort, not just outcomes. Building muscles and building minds both take practice. Remember, intelligence is not one size fits all. Some children think with their hands and understand the world through movement. That's not a challenge to fix. It's a strength to grow. When we honor how a child learns, we open doors to confidence, curiosity, and meaningful work. Thank you for caring so deeply about your child's gifts. I'm cheering you on as you notice, nurture, and celebrate how they move through the world. Every child is gifted. Let them move, explore, and shine.